science, kids. Let's learn about meiosis.
Meiosis is the process where chromosomes split in half to form new daughter cells. Meiosis consists of prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase 1. But don't forget meiosis 2. DNA is exchanged between opposite chromosomes, resulting in a chromosome crossover. Meiosis always forms for daughter cells. The nuclear membrane disappears. Spindle fibers are formed by the centrioles. They gather chromosomes after information is exchanged. Chromosomes migrate to the spindle fibers, then they attach to the chromosome to break up the attached pairs. Chromosomes are pulled away from each other to reverse sides of the cell. Now the cell starts splitting into two nuclear membranes form around each of the pairs of the chromosomes. No more spindle fibers, and the cell splits into two. Meiosis always goes for daughter cells, then comes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase 1. All is repeated, finally forming four daughter cells.
Go. Get it! Oh my god! Corinne, get it! Corinne, get it! Get it! You got it? You got the balls, guys? Okay, come on, little terrorist girl. Oh, come on.
How you going, baby?